Hello guys, welcome back. In this video let's have a look on the crop tool. So crop tool is used to cut the image or sometimes recomposite the image, mostly used in photographs, not much used in graphic design things because you already decided that design and you start with the size and then start putting things into it. If you have to resize it, you need to take a new document and arrange. So mostly photo editors use crop tools for a better composition. So to access crop tool, you can go to the toolbox and you have this tool here. You can also alternately press C on the keyboard and you got the crop tool. So in crop tool you have ratio, which is basically the default one where you can manually scale to any size you wanted this crop to happen. Okay, so like that you can generally scale it. And what happened is crop tool, when we make it small, it basically deletes the content outside, but when we increase this, what happens with this background is it doesn't have any information with it. And when I say crop it, then you should able to see it has filled with your background color, which is there here, which is not good at all. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose the crop tool. Okay, and then I'm going to scale this, and then what I'm going to do is as I scaled it, I'm switching on this option called content aware, and then when I say it on, and that selected area is extended with the content aware tool, it has created some background automatically. And you may like it or you may not like it. If you didn't like it, get your hand dirty and fix things with your tools, with other tools in the Photoshop. Okay, so when I'm cropping this, okay, when I'm cropping this like that, okay, and we have this option called delete cropped pixels. So if you could able to see there the image outside, when I say on, that image will be deleted, which I can see by moving. Okay, so that image is no more. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose the crop tool again. Okay, and then I'm going to scale it and then switch off this delete cropped pixels, and then when I switch it on, now what happens is it automatically turned that background into a layer. And then when I move it, you could able to see that image is no more missing its data. So it's there outside but not visible because of the canvas size what we have here. Something really cool. So I'm going to choose some other features. Here in the drop down you have a ratio based cropping, which is can be done manually. Let's say I'm going to put this to 2:8, then you are getting a crop which is having a 2:8 ratio. Okay, and then we have already there ratios, which is 1:1 or 5:7, etc. You also have some sizes which you can also enter with this feature called width, height and resolution. So you can enter 10 centimeters by 20 centimeters with a resolution of 72. Then you got this, and then you can just click it. Okay, and also when you are choosing the ratio, if the size is already feeded here, just you can click this clear button, and then you get the blocks cleared, and you can enter your own values there. Okay, or this will be free after the values are cleared there. You have this rotation tool which can be used. So let's say I want to rotate this picture to keep these two flowers in a straight line. Okay, I need to rotate like that. alternatively you can actually use this straighten tool, and then you can select that 2 points, and that 2 points become straight here. Okay, I can try by selecting the white flower here and the yellow flower here, so that two things will now become straight. Okay, so it has to take a very drastic decision. So it has vertically made it straight because I took too much of orientation risk. So you should stay away from such things. But however, I select the straighten and click like that, and I should able to see that two things became straight. Okay, and then you say OK, and it will do that content aware thing and gives you a different new picture. Okay, so we have apart from straighten, we have the overlays. So overlays, we have rule of thirds here, which is the lines in the center. You can switch off the overlay feature if you don't want it that to be, or you can always show the overlay, and you can press O on the keyboard and cycle the overlays here. So these overlays are used for composition purposes. So popularly rule of thirds is used in photographs, and also golden spiral, golden ratio, okay, and all other types of overlays what you have. And we have certain options here, which is use classic mode. So classic mode is trying to do certain display features change there. So classic mode has got different display features while you are on crop mode. Okay, so you want to rely on that, you can go with that. If not, you could see the total overlays applying for the canvas. However, here this is applying only for the document. So show cropped area, you wanted it to be or not. Auto center, the preview will automatically center the document to the center. Enable the crop shield. Okay, crop shield color can be picked to something else, and then its opacity can be controlled also. So all that features are there, and then we can hit that button. Okay, so we have this button called restore. It will restore the crop there. So crop is a very wonderful tool for cropping and composition or resizing the images. Explore it.